Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a very exciting unboxing of this new iPhone series 11 watch that is bought from China. First let's look at the packaging. The packaging looks very good, as always, looks very neat and gives a premium feel. The plastic seal is off and now for the moment that everyone waits for. So look at the watch face, it's looking straight back at us. Its design is amazing and have the aluminum finish, the silver color, and it looks better in real life. Let's take this out and see the display. Absolutely stunning, very vibrant, stretched to the edges. It feels very light in hand, but the quality is very solid, and we will power it on in a little while. But let's see what else we get inside the box. Below the watch are all our accessories. Apple things are always simple, and here is the magnet fast charging cable. This is very useful item because charging is required. And then of course here is the watch, and this is an amazing watch. The feel of it's very soft and comfortable, just you'd expect from the Apple Watch. And finally, there will be some papers, the quick start guide and warranty details, and they are important. But for most of us, just start using the device directly. So that was everything you get inside the box of the iPhone Series 11 watch. It is very sleek, powerful and beautiful design device. And I'm now excited to start using it. And be sure to subscribe our channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.